Hello viewers, today we show how to make a ISO image from CD drive. We see a Windows 10 disk in our CD-ROM. Now we make the CD disk as ISO image. This is MagicISO Maker. This software need to make the ISO. Just select the DVD-ROM drive. Select all the files that contain on DVD-ROM drive and drag it to the upper section. Now we see all files load here. 4427 megabyte. Now we save as the file. Go to the file, save as on desktop and click standard ISO image. File name Win10. Now save. Now saving Win10.iso. 12%, 30%, 40%. It's depend on the disk size. Small disks take few minutes. Large disks takes larger time. 34%. The ISO image making process will take about 4 minutes. You need to download MagicISO Maker from Google and make the ISO image. After making the ISO image, you can use the ISO image to make a bootable drive. %, 74%, 75, 8, 9. So viewers, stay with us and like my channel, share the content, subscribe my channel for next video. This is the end. We see a Win10 disk on desktop that we created. Okay, goodbye.